Tarun Mehta and Swapnil Jain are college friends. In 2013, they got the idea of making India's first premium electric scooter, but the lack of a positive atmosphere to build their dream. So, their professors and IIT Madras helped them in providing the necessary equipment and motivation. That's how they started Ather Energy. After building prototypes and battery packs, they incubated at IIT Madras Research Park. They did 4 prototypes within 12 months period with the 5 lakhs funding provided through their professor. Even this is the first startup to get a direct investment from the alumnus. They built this electric scooter with the only motto to reach the customer's heart. From 4 members to 100 members team, they become successful in maintaining the company structure. Their team is full of youngsters with an average age of around 20 years. Ather Energy launched its first electric scooter, Ather S340, in 2018 along with Ather 450. Top speed of 72 kph, 60 km range, 1.5 hours charging time are some of the S340 specifications. But customers shown more interest on its second electric scooter, Ather 450, due to high power and premium features. So, Ather Energy discontinued Ather S340. On the other hand, Ather 450 can accelerate 0 to 40 kph in 3.9 seconds with a top speed of 80 kph and a true range of 75 km. Its insane 20.5 Nm of torque sets a benchmark for electric scooters in India. Indian customers tasted the true essence of an electric scooter with Ather 450. From design to performance, Ather Energy is successful in building a positive perception on an electric scooter inside the Indian customers' minds. At the time, this is the only high-performance electric scooter available in the market. Initially launched in Bengaluru, Ather Energy provided free Ather grids at all corners of the city, which attracted customers to buy Ather 450. Just like any other startups, Ather Energy also struggled at times for fundings. The startup received a grant of 45 lakhs from the IIT Madras Technology Development Board under the Department of Science and Technology. But their money went short as they spent most of it in testing. So, Ather Energy founders approached Flipkart founders Sachin Bansal and Binny Bansal and got $1 million funding. But their first biggest investment comes from Tiger Global. In 2015, Tiger Global invested $12 million in Ather Energy, which helps them to launch its S340 in market. Later in July 2018, Hero MotoCorp invested 130 crores in Ather Energy. Currently, Hero MotoCorp owns 34.58% share in Ather Energy. Later, Ather Energy expanded its network to Tamil Nadu. In 2020, Ather Energy launched the Ather 450X. With an acceleration of 0 to 40 kph in 3.3 seconds, Ather 450X became the fastest electric scooter in India. It has a top speed of 80 kph and a true range of 85 km on a single charge. The motor capacity is 3.3 kW and the battery pack is 2.9 kWh lithium ion. Ather Energy also signed an MOU with the Tamil Nadu government to set up a manufacturing plant to produce 1 lakh units of vehicles. Ather Energy also plans to open experience centers in cities like Hyderabad, Delhi NCR, Pune, Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Kochi, Kolkata, Coimbatore by 2021. From scratch to India's fastest electric scooter, this IIT Madras born startup is truly an inspiring story. Go green, go electric. Electricvehicles.in motto is keeping the earth a safer place to live for the next generations. If you want to join our movement, you can support simply subscribing to our channel or sharing our videos or commenting on videos. Thanks for watching.